Alagang Avli BioCare is brought to you by Avli BioCare.
Magandang umaga mga ka-Agri TV. This is Bod and Kayna from UPMB K9. Welcome to another episode of Alagang Avli BioCare. Si UPMB K9, nag-start ito nung nagkaroon ng pag-uusap ang Permanent Advisory Council namin, namely si Vanguard Ramon Santiago, Vanguard Frederick Spaki Farolan, and Vanguard Manuel Macrohon.
Parang nag-come up lang sila na parang bakit hindi tayo tumulong sa community. So that's why UPMB was born. Kasi ang main advocacy nito is to actually equip the community members, regular people na talaga sa ating community for disaster preparedness.
Itong organization, mainly ang pinaka-aim natin is to turn household pets into search dogs so that pagdating ng disaster, meron tayong community na kahit papaano may readiness pagdating sa search and rescue effort. So siguro po I'll share my experience kasi I'm a member of Batch 1. So nag-start ito nag-announce sila sa Facebook, no? Nagkaroon sila ng recruitment effort, nag-cascade sila sa communities, and yun nga po, nag-join kami through Facebook. Nung time na yun, that was September of 2017, nag-start si training ng Batch 1, and nag-end ng after mga 2 or 3 months. Nung nag-start silang mag-announce sa Facebook, ang invitation nila is for regular household pet owners, no? Katulad namin na may available time to commit ourselves dun sa cause, no? And yun nga po, nung time na yun, wala po kaming pili sa breeds. Sabi po nga nila, mas maganda kung may mga aspins pa, may mga yung hindi ganong kina-classify as working lines, no? So yun po, dun po nag-start. Siguro umabot kami ng mga lagpas 100 na applicants. We ended at around 70. Mga ganun po. Yung sa first batch po. Yun.
So actually, we just have, we do training by batches kasi. Since, yun nga, this is volunteer. So medyo limited talaga yung human resources namin. But since we are focusing na makahelp as much as possible, as long as the dog is healthy, so cleared siya ng vet na walang sakit, and less than 5 years old kasi medyo rigorous yung training namin. And yung handler din is physically fit, they can join the training. No matter the breed, we will accept because we believe naman that all dogs are trainable.
For the qualifications, wala po, regular household members lang. Wala kaming idea sa kung paano mag-train ng dogs, as in zero po talaga. Halos same yung pattern namin ngayon for the training program na it starts with yung obedience training, obedience, exposure, stability. Kasi po ang isa sa advocacy namin is yung responsible pet ownership, no? We start with the obedience and the stability training. We try to fix kung anong man ang behavioral issues na meron sila. And then after several weeks, then we move on to yung search phase or nose work. Kunyari, kung kayo magjo-join sa amin, both kayo ng dogs mo ay titrain namin. So hindi namin tinitrain yung dogs nyo per se, kayo po yung tinuturuan namin para yung pagiging equipped ninyo, it can also affect other household pets ninyo po, di ba? At the same time, majority of the time, ang pinofocus talaga namin sa training is the handler. Kasi po, hindi, yung dogs po, natural na sa kanila yung mga skills na pinapalabas natin eh. Pero ang hindi po natin ma-assure parati is yung consistency ng handlers. Mayroon mabagal matuto, mayroong mabilis, mayroong sakto lang. Kaya po, doon nag-a-adjust tayo ng training style po pagdating sa ganun.
We train our dogs to be our companions, but training them for this purpose, for community disaster and preparedness, will give them a better purpose. Hindi lang siya alaga sa bahay, hindi lang siya basta kasama natin, pero this kind of training will actually give your dog this purpose that they can help, they can contribute to our community. And hindi lang yung aso natin because syempre hindi naman matututo yung aso natin kung wala tayo. So not just our dogs but us ourselves, as handlers, that's our message that if you join our community or if you join our organization, we want to see that you can contribute in your community in terms of disaster preparedness.
Next week, panoorin niyo pa rin kami ang UPMBK9 dito sa Alagang Avli BioCare. Basta Alagang Avli BioCare, alagang may kalidad yan.
Alagang Avli BioCare was brought to you by Avli BioCare.